Short runways present a unique challenge in aviation, demanding aircraft that can deliver strong performance during short takeoffs and landings. Even private jet owners and charter pilots often face these limitations when flying into smaller regional airports or remote locations with restricted airstrips. Fortunately, modern engineering has produced a wide range of aircraft built to conquer such conditions. From agile turboprops to compact light jets, many models combine power, aerodynamic efficiency, and advanced braking systems to operate safely on shorter surfaces without sacrificing comfort or range. These aircraft open doors to secluded resorts, private islands, and mountain airfields that are often beyond reach for larger jets. Here are 10 private aircraft that thrive on short runways, offering travelers the freedom to reach destinations where flexibility and accessibility matter most, all while maintaining the luxury, safety, and performance expected in private aviation. Piper M600. The Piper M600 is a refined single-engine turboprop that blends efficiency, comfort, and performance in a compact airframe. With the ability to take off from runways as short as 2,635 feet, it provides excellent short-field capability, allowing access to smaller airports and remote locations with ease. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A42A engine, the M600 offers a maximum range of more than 1,400 nautical miles and a cruising speed of around 274 knots, making it suitable for both regional business trips and personal travel. Its Garmin G3000 avionics suite delivers advanced automation, synthetic vision, and envelope protection, supporting safer and more intuitive flight operations. The cabin is designed for comfort, featuring luxurious leather seating, refined materials, and a quiet atmosphere that accommodates up to 6 passengers. Large windows bring in ample natural light, and the pressurized cabin ensures a smooth experience at altitude. The M600's combination of range, fuel efficiency, and runway flexibility makes it ideal for travelers seeking an aircraft that can operate economically while maintaining a high level of comfort. Whether flying for work or leisure, the Piper M600 offers reliable performance and easy access to a wide variety of destinations. Pilatus PC-24. The Pilatus PC-24 is a uniquely capable light business jet, engineered with short takeoff and landing performance as a key design feature. Unlike most jets in its class, it can operate from runways as short as 2,930 feet, allowing it to access smaller regional airports, mountain airstrips, and even unpaved or grass runways. This flexibility enables travelers to land closer to their final destinations, saving valuable time and expanding the range of reachable locations. Powered by 2 Williams FJ 44-4A turbofan engines, the PC-24 delivers strong performance with excellent climb rates and efficient fuel consumption. Its rugged landing gear and robust airframe are designed to handle rough field operations without compromising passenger comfort. Inside, the cabin offers an elegant and quiet environment that can seat up to 9 passengers, featuring customizable layouts, generous luggage space, and large windows that enhance natural lighting. The combination of luxury, range, and true short takeoff and land performance sets the PC-24 apart from traditional business jets. Whether flying executives to city centers or delivering critical cargo to remote areas, the PC-24 provides unmatched operational freedom, making it a remarkable example of modern aviation engineering focused on performance, comfort, and accessibility. Daher TBM 940. The Daher TBM 940 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that delivers exceptional capability and refinement. With a takeoff distance of around 2,380 feet, it can easily operate from shorter runways, giving pilots and passengers the freedom to reach smaller airports and remote destinations. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A66D engine, the TBM 940 achieves impressive cruise speeds exceeding 330 knots while maintaining outstanding fuel efficiency. Its combination of power and precision makes it one of the fastest and most capable aircraft in its class. The cockpit features the Garmin G3000 avionics suite, offering advanced automation, touchscreen controls, and enhanced situational awareness for safer, more intuitive flight operations. Inside, the cabin is elegantly crafted with premium materials, ergonomic seating, and sound-dampening design for a quiet, comfortable experience. It accommodates up to 6 passengers and includes thoughtful amenities such as USB charging ports and customizable lighting. The TBM 940's balance of speed, economy, and operational flexibility makes it a top choice among private owners and business travelers who value performance without compromising comfort. Whether navigating busy airways or landing at smaller regional fields, the TBM 940 delivers smooth, efficient, and reliable travel. Cessna Citation M2. The Cessna Citation M2 is a sleek and efficient light twin-jet designed for performance and comfort in equal measure. With a takeoff distance of just 3,210 feet, it can operate from shorter runways that many other jets cannot access, offering pilots and passengers greater flexibility when planning flights to smaller airports or regional destinations. Powered by 2 Williams FJ44 1AP21 turbofan engines, the M2 delivers excellent speed and climb capability while maintaining smooth and responsive handling that pilots appreciate. Its advanced Garmin G3000 avionics suite provides exceptional situational awareness and ease of operation, making it an ideal jet for both owner-operators and corporate use. The interior is crafted for comfort, featuring fine materials, adjustable lighting, and seating for up to 7 passengers. Large windows allow natural light to fill the cabin, enhancing the sense of space during flight. The M2 combines practical efficiency with luxury, offering short-field performance that expands travel possibilities without compromising comfort or style. Whether for business or leisure, it offers a refined travel experience and the freedom to reach destinations that are often inaccessible to larger jets. Embraer Phenom 100. The Embraer Phenom 100 is a light business jet that blends efficient performance with refined design. With a takeoff distance of only 3,190 feet, it offers excellent short-field capability, allowing access to smaller airports that larger jets cannot use. Powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney PW617FE engines, the Phenom 100 delivers a smooth and reliable flight experience with impressive fuel efficiency and low operating costs. Its modern Garmin Prodigy flight deck simplifies pilot workload through intuitive displays and automation, making it popular among owner-operators and charter services alike. Inside, the cabin reflects Embraer's commitment to comfort and detail, featuring premium materials, large windows, and an efficient layout that seats up to 6 passengers. The aircraft also includes a private lavatory, generous baggage space, and advanced soundproofing for a quiet, relaxing journey. Known for its combination of affordability, reliability, and performance, the Phenom 100 has become a trusted choice for short to medium-range travel. Its ability to take off from shorter runways while maintaining speed, comfort, and efficiency makes it a strong option for travelers seeking private jet convenience with practical operational flexibility. HondaJet. The Honda Jet is a light business jet known for its advanced engineering and distinctive over-the-wing engine mount design. This configuration reduces drag, increases fuel efficiency, and minimizes cabin noise, setting it apart from traditional layouts. With a takeoff distance of about 3,500 feet, the Honda Jet can operate from shorter runways, allowing travelers to reach airports that are often inaccessible to other jets in its class. Powered by two GE Honda HF120 engines, it delivers strong performance and excellent climb capability, while maintaining impressive fuel economy. The aircraft's composite fuselage and natural laminar flow wings contribute to smoother airflow and higher efficiency. Inside, the cabin offers exceptional comfort with seating for up to 6 passengers, large windows, and refined materials that create a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The aircraft also features a private lavatory and ample storage for luggage. The Garmin G3000 avionics suite enhances pilot control with intuitive touchscreen interfaces, making flight operations simpler and safer. Designed for both business and personal travel, the Honda Jet combines modern technology, quiet operation, and efficient short-field performance, offering an elevated flying experience with the flexibility to access a wide range of destinations. Beechcraft King Air 350i. The Beechcraft King Air 350i is a twin-engine turboprop that delivers exceptional short-field performance, able to take off from runways as short as 3,300 feet. This capability allows it to reach smaller airports and remote destinations where many jets cannot operate, making it ideal for regional business flights or travel to less accessible areas. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney PT6A-60A engines, the King Air 350i offers strong climb performance, reliable operation, and impressive fuel efficiency over both short and medium-range routes. Inside, the cabin provides generous space and comfort for up to 9 passengers, featuring handcrafted seats, adjustable lighting, and advanced soundproofing for a quiet environment. The large windows create a bright atmosphere and offer excellent visibility. Modern avionics, including the Rockwell Collins ProLine fusion system, enhance flight safety and ease of navigation. The aircraft's combination of endurance, comfort, and operational flexibility has made it a trusted choice for corporate, medical, and government missions. Whether flying into busy metropolitan hubs or remote airfields, the King Air 350i consistently delivers reliable performance and a smooth, comfortable travel experience. Cirrus Vision Jet. The Cirrus Vision Jet redefines the light jet category with its innovative design and focus on accessibility. Engineered for single-pilot operations, it combines simplicity, safety, and performance in a compact, efficient airframe. With a takeoff distance of just 2,036 feet, the Vision Jet can operate from very short runways, enabling access to smaller airports and private airfields that are beyond the reach of most jets. Powered by a single Williams FJ 335A turbofan engine, it delivers smooth, efficient performance with low operating costs. The aircraft's Garmin-based Cirrus Perspective, Touch Plus Flight Deck, provides intuitive controls and exceptional situational awareness, making it well-suited for owner pilots. Safety is central to its design, featuring the Cirrus airframe parachute system and advanced electronic stability protection. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed, with seating for up to 5 adults and 2 children, offering large windows, high-quality finishes, and connectivity options for a comfortable travel experience. The Vision Jet combines the efficiency of a turboprop with the comfort and speed of a light jet, making it a preferred choice for private owners and business travelers who value independence, safety, and the freedom to reach destinations with ease. Epic E1000. The Epic E1000 is a sleek, high-performance single-engine turboprop created to deliver jet-like speed with turboprop efficiency. Designed to be one of the fastest civil single-engine aircraft of its time, it reaches a maximum cruise speed of 333 knots, placing it among the top performers in its category. With a takeoff distance of under 2,400 feet, the E1000 can operate from shorter airstrips, offering flexibility for travelers who need quick access to smaller airports or remote destinations. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A67A engine, it provides exceptional power and responsiveness, paired with a lightweight carbon fiber airframe that enhances both speed and fuel efficiency. The advanced Garmin G1000 NXI avionics suite supports precision navigation and situational awareness, giving pilots a modern and intuitive cockpit environment. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and practicality, featuring premium materials, ergonomic seating, and room for up to 6 passengers. The E1000's combination of speed, short-field performance, and efficiency makes it a strong choice for private owners and business travelers who value time and performance. Whether for regional hops or cross-country missions, it delivers the freedom to travel fast and efficiently. Quest Kodiak. The Quest Kodiak is a durable single-engine turboprop built for demanding operations and exceptional short takeoff and landing capability. Able to take off and land on runways as short as 934 feet, it is ideal for missions that require access to remote airstrips, rugged terrain, or undeveloped regions. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A34 engine, the Kodiak delivers reliable performance, strong climb rates, and the ability to operate efficiently even in challenging conditions. Its robust landing gear and high wing design enhance stability and allows safe operations from unpaved or uneven surfaces. Inside, the spacious cabin can be configured for up to 10 occupants or adapted for cargo, medical evacuation, or humanitarian use. Large doors and flexible seating arrangements make loading quick and easy, while the durable interior materials are designed to handle frequent use. The cockpit features Garmin G1000 NXI avionics, providing advanced navigation and situational awareness for safe flight in all environments. The Kodiak's blend of strength, range, and short-field performance makes it a trusted choice for operators who need dependable access to locations beyond the reach of traditional aircraft, whether for adventure travel, relief efforts, or regional transportation.